once again, thank you for the opportunity to come to your homes and to your desktop, to your smartphones. Today, Caribbean Coding Academy is discussing our cybersecurity program. This program is a collaboration between Caribbean Coding Academy and CCA Expert. CCA Expert is a US company. It's one of the, one of the main cybersecurity company in the US. They provide services to the Department of Defense as well as NASA. They actually have a partnership with Caribbean Coding Academy to train, to certify, and to provide employment opportunities to persons throughout the Caribbean and Latin America. They also has the opportunity to provide jobs, remote jobs, for persons who would like to pursue a career change. The program, the actual training will be delivered at Caribbean Coding Academy. This is a company that has an interest in the Caribbean, specific Grenada. They are actually investing a lot of money currently in terms of establishing a main office in Grenada. And the idea is to have Grenada as a knowledge center with regards to cybersecurity. We were very happy for this opportunity. We believe that we could make an impact not only to individuals and to family, but to the country. We want to have Grenada as the hub for technology. We want to be able to change and transform Grenada as one of the country that literally lead in technology, leading in front when technology is concerned. There is a policy that was actually written a couple of years ago, and it speaks to small state, SSS, smart small state. And our focus is to make sure that Grenada take the lead in technology and seeing how technology could impact not only Grenada, but impact the Caribbean. Again, Grenada is at a place where we don't have much in natural resources, but we do have very bright and talented young people. And we believe that if we invest in education, if we invest in these young people, we could transform Grenada economy. We don't need to depend solely again on agriculture and as well as tourism. I mean, COVID-19 would have actually shown us how the impact of tourism, the impact the virus had on tourism, as well as climate change is actually showing us the impact it has in agriculture.
But also one of the things that we have to think about when we talk about cybersecurity is that as the world is changing, people have to go to the digital economy. And once you get into the digital economy and you get on the internet, your accounts, your everything about your system and your information is exposed. Mm-hmm. So it is imperative that anybody, it doesn't matter, small business, little business, whatever you are, you have to learn a little about some sort of security, about setting up your password, setting up just about anything. The great news about having a world-class company partnering with us is that you can now, we're not just assisting and getting you ready for what's going on in the world today, but we want to get you ahead. We want Grenada to be the epicenter of where learning. We don't want Grenada just to be known for, it's nice to be known for Jab, and Beko, but we want to get past that also. We want to be able to be the place known for technology, for learning, that our young people are on the cutting edge of the technology, that good things could come from Grenada. It's not just, we don't just provide Calypsonians and cooks for the tourist industry. We want to also provide technological skills so that our young people can become high earners. We want to upskill our people because we cannot grow our population to 1 million, but we can earn our way as if our population was 1 million.
There you go. And one of the things that we want to also focus on is not only the sector that is immediately impacted by technology, but the sector that is actually will gain the most.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You know, we have a lot of companies right now that are going online. Mm-hmm. We have a lot of e-commerce sites. We have a lot of people who are shopping online. Mm-hmm. And their credit cards, most of the financial information is literally online.
They're exposed.
And they are exposed. And hence the reason why it's so important that you have a company like Secure Expert that will provide you the training and the certification, not only to understand the security, the breach of security of people stealing your identity, but to protect your finance.
Well, also, one of the good things about Secure Expert is that they are lockdown security. I mean, they're going to come in and they're going to lock down. I mean, Grenada, our country will be well protected. I mean, it's not by happenstance that Secure Expert is doing the lockdown security for the United States military. They're doing it for the space program. Now, you don't want to have some sort of interference if you're going into space. So any company that is good enough for space and to protect the United States military, we know that we have found a phenomenal partner. So I think, folks, we got the best. You wanted the best, you asked for it, and we have provided you with a top-notch company. But we want to also extend a special invitation to institutions, because we know that institutions periodically get hacked. Even governments, different things happens. And we want to give you what they say, it's better to fix it before than after. It is so important that you get on board, get some of your people, your IT persons certified so that they can protect you. And in fact, by protecting you, you're protecting me, and we're protecting each other. Because if one Grenadian get hacked, it seems like all of us got hacked, because we all pay the price, we all suffer together.
Okay, so for those of you who don't know what cybersecurity is, it is a practice of protecting your system, your software, your networking programs from digital attacks. They are usually aimed off assessing, changing, and destroying all your information. So that's why when we say you should have a password on your system. You can't just put a password like your name and surname. You have to have question marks, you have to have dots, you have to have numbers, you have, because it's so, because it's easy to say Keith Ashby, he might just put a K-E and an I, and so it's easy to get into it. But when you have question marks and dots and all the different, and you have 8 or 10 digits, it is difficult to get in your within your networking. So that is what actually cybersecurity is, protecting your information and your data.
Yes, so true. Again, Caribbean Coding Academy, we are bringing cutting edge services. We offer so much at the academy. With regards to the cybersecurity program, Secure Expert actually offer level 1 to level 5 in terms of certification. They work with the Department of Defense, they work with NASA. They actually very keen in providing workforce development training to Caribbean people, or to Caribbean students. We were lucky enough to partner with such a well-known company. So for persons who are looking for a career change, for persons who are looking to be certified in cybersecurity, contact us. Contact Caribbean Coding Academy.
Yeah, we also want to.
Apart from individuals, we are begging and asking companies,
of course,
to come on board, because recently we had some insurance company that
got hacked.
I think the government offices were hacked.
Yeah.
So we need companies to come on board and protect your information.
Yeah, we offer lockdown security. These guys, the process and the methodology that they use is, top-notch, first-rated kind of stuff. Grenada, having Secure Express on our shows will really bring safety to us. In terms, they're going to be able to lock down the head end, where before we interact with the outside world, they're going to X-ray the things. There's so many applications that they are going to use. So it will be, you're not just getting old-time safety. You're getting safety for today and for maybe the next 20 years. So this is a tremendous opportunity for us in Grenada to take advantage of something that you'd have to maybe travel thousands of miles to benefit from. And you're getting it right at home. The certification are international. So please call us at 456-16.
456-1568, or email us at caribbeancodeacademy@gmail.com.